What's going on? My makeup! You two go play outside! Yes, Maya, look!
Wow, a bunk bed!
There is so many good stuff!
You got that right! Wow! Savvy? Is this our own bunk bed?
I think it is!
That's so cool!
Oh, are you thinking what I'm thinking?
Let's get our DIY on!
And protective gear!
Done! Hey!
What? Just checking!
Okay, let's clean!
Let's go! Cleaning is not so bad after all!
Whoa! Did they have the Spider movie premiere here?
I don't need this and this! Especially not this!
Gotcha! In the trash you go!
Oh, Maya, this box is so heavy!
Savvy!
Let's use these boxes!
Wow! So cozy! Good job, Savvy!
Yeah, I feel like a princess now! Princess!
I want to take a picture of you!
Yeah!
Say cheese! I wonder how it turned out!
Let me see! Oh, so cute!
Ooh! This gave me an idea! Savvy!
Let's paint!
Yeah! I want a pink bed! So I'll mix in some white and red paint. Just eyeball it until it looks good. This should be enough. Now I'll just mix it until it's the right shade. Ooh, cool!
Maya, you will need this!
Ooh, great thinking, Savvy!
I know! Hey, let's paint, Maya!
Okay. Ooh, it's the perfect pink!
This is gonna look so good!
I know, right?
Almost done!
Wow, so beautiful! Wow, we have a window now!
Looks pretty good. Oh, what was that? Oh no! Let's try that! Incoming! How did I do? It turned out so nice! Let's do more!
An extra window! Savvy!
Oops, sorry! Wow, it looks so cool! Where's my…
Pillow fight! Wait, I have an idea! Let's put it here. This will add pizzazz to our window.
Great idea, Maya! It'll look like clouds!
How about some more here? Looks good! Hey, I found this pool noodle! I have a better use for this! Wow! It's a rainbow! And now some clouds! Perfect!
I can buy myself flowers! Nice! Oh, I know! Hey, Maya!
Wow! Ew, Savvy!
Got it,
It's disgusting!
But look!
Wow, so beautiful!
I know!
Good job!
I know, go! Let me take a picture of you!
Cheese! Oh, but it's so empty inside.
I so agree with you!
What do we do? Found this yarn in the dumpster. I want to try this hack I found on TikTok. I'll drown the whole thing in glue. Make sure to coat it good, or else it won't stick. Now we need a balloon. This size is enough. Now we put it on a stable surface and wrap our yarn around it. Cute! Ooh, it's so squishy! Wow!
Maya, look! It's so cool!
Yeah, it's very nice. My My project's better though. Just look at that detail. Last step, hang it up. Wow, it's so beautiful! Do you want to put this inside?
I do.
Come on!
Oh wait, Maya!
Wow, I'm in heaven! Savvy, what do you have there?
Maya? Nothing.
Huh? You're hiding something.
It's the truth.
Let's hug.
Sure.
Savvy! Chocolate! Hey, you need to share.
Okay, let's share.
Hold on.
Oh no, it's melted.
I know what to do.
Huh?
I'll make a mini fridge. That way, we can keep all our snacks fresh.
Great idea. Let me help you. Cool, huh? The foil will keep the chocolate cool. Almost done. It needs a nightlight so we can see our snacks in the dark. Let's put it here. And now our snacks. Huh? This is all we have? So?
I know what to do.
Well,
Wish me luck.
Good luck, Maya. Go. Oh, what was that?
Don't mind if I do.
I'm a Barbie girl in a Barbie world. What?
I got it.
Yes.
Now we can make some more snacks. Now let's chop all the strawberries. Then add some light yogurt. Mix until all the fruit is covered in it. Now drop spoonfuls on a plate. And you're almost done.
Maya, what are you doing?
Try it. Oh, give me that. I knew it was missing something. There, perfect. Leave it in the fridge until it's ready. Let's wait. Wow. Let's try it.
Let me try. It looks good. Maya! This gave me an idea. Our bunk bed was missing something. I'll give it back later, or not. Now what should we put in here? Nice! Huh? How about a bulb? Yes! It's beautiful!
Cheese! Thanks! Let's see.
Maya, let me see.
No!
Whoa!
What's this?
Hold on. It's perfect!
Hold this. Now spin!
It's gonna look so cute! Yes! Cool! It ties everything together! Who needs picture frames? Am I right? So cute!
We did a great job!
Remember how it used to look?
Right.
Wow! Alright, let's go play!
Yeah!
It's so cozy!
Wow! I can see everything from here! Huh?
Come get the latest toys in our new toy shop!
Savvy, there's a sale in a toy shop! Take a nap! You doll, here I come!
Whoa, cool! He's so fast!
Wow, not bad!
So what now?
And done!
Boring! Time to order something. Cool! Let's see what we got. Wow! Now that's a real Rubik's Cube. I'll try Ladybug game. Here we go! Come on, cutie! Run to the berries! I'll make the way for ya!
Guys, look!
love to. Cool. I'll order one too. Huh. I can afford that too.